SOLIDWORKS 2014 streamlines common design workflows with innovative visualization tools and an improved user interface. The overall user interface, including the property manager, command manager, and task span, to name a few, now feature a clean and modern look and feel for added clarity. In addition, the selection icons have been modified across the entire software to use a different color scheme more suitable for colorblind people. This way, they can clearly understand the entities that need to be selected for each feature if detailed explanations are not available. When working on complex parts and mechanisms to create, for example, design variation, the same features are often modified over and over. To quickly modify your design and help you collaborate more effectively, SOLIDWORKS 2014 has added a new history folder. By default, the last 10 edited features are listed, but like everything else in SOLIDWORKS, this number can be adjusted to your liking. And unlike the favorite folder that requires items to be added manually, the new history folder automatically keeps track of the features you recently modified, so you don't need to go through the entire feature list to refine your design. Once satisfied with this new iteration, you can save a copy of your assembly. However, to avoid time-consuming mistakes, you now have the option to save a copy and directly open the new file to carry out your work. You can also decide to include all the reference components, parts and sub-assemblies in the same folder or a specific folder, and whether or not to add a prefix or suffix. Switching back to the full assembly, it's easy to make the external covering transparent using a display state. With a new order-independent transparency that leverages the latest graphic card technology, you get faster, nicer, and more accurate transparency rendering. This new technique also provides better results with each object properly displayed at the correct depth, even when rotating your model while rendering multiple overlapping transparent bodies. But to dive even more into your design, you often need to use the Section View tool. Luckily, in SOLIDWORKS 2014, the new Selective Section tool makes it easier to examine your complex assemblies. You can now simply select which components or bodies to section, and everything else will remain untouched. You can visualize internal details and keep parts of the external covering to perfectly understand how everything is assembled. If it's a large assembly, you can also leverage the groundbreaking technology behind Large Design Review to instantly section the model. SOLIDWORKS 2014 delivers superior visualization capabilities with a new and enhanced user interface to help you design better products and improve product quality.